Right bar.
No, not showing.
Adult version.
Your niece is going to watch that.
Deb, relax. Ignore them. They're just jealous.
Totally.
Okay, who's up next? And life's like that. Normally you can hold it 60 seconds aside.
Relax, I thought, oh.
Oh, sorry, so I meant ignore their comment.
No, there's no way you can do it. That's the next version. Is it? Much quicker than me.
No, it's not bad.
Go on, love.
I'm not actually here. The camera.
Darn it, we won't stop until you've done something.
Yeah, Kylie's got to get in there. I've got a short arm. I haven't got time to go for ground.
Done.
Yo.
Woo! More than me.
Well done. Go, Patrick. That's a whistle for the crowd. Press it up, Turkey.
Can't, Kylie. You want to show it? No.
Everyone say no.
Yep. Who's up next? Do you want to hop in and go?
And do which one?
We'll get more views.
One arm to hold for long time.
Oh. Got nothing to do with a girl doing the one arm hands out.
We're going to you.
Just
I don't know.
Work it now.
get bow ready. Great. Okay, and now the reverse handstand push-up. AKA a chin-up.
You hot thing. You're on camera, girl.
No one's watching.
Awesome. Sorry, it was good. Awesome.
Keep going. One more.
Thanks. I know you're tired. You've already done a couple.
Yeah, it was
Thanks.
just a